Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have something a little bit different. I have a business opportunity for you all. That's right, I know most of you have heard about Teemu. And yes, Teemu is really growing fast. It is like kind of like an Amazon store with all kinds of items, and it is just booming, and they are offering opportunities. And I want to let you know a little bit of the benefits that I've recently learned about. I recently discovered a new project where I can make money at home, and it is an affiliate program with Teemu. And guys, this was just been launched not too long ago, and you can earn up to $20,000 commission per month. And I've heard that some have already earned $18,314. I am super excited and can't wait to share this good money making project with everyone. If you're interested in earning a good source of income, join the Teemu affiliate program. Now guys, I know that is a loaded introduction, but that's what a business opportunity is all about. It is an opportunity where you could make up to those amounts of dollars, and people do. And it is also open to anyone, and that is another reason it is an opportunity. If you don't know much about Teemu, Teemu is a low-cost, ultra-affordable online marketplace. They carry everything from household decor, cleaning products, fashion items, to children's toys and more. And many of you may have seen some of my hauls because I have purchased several things already. Anyways, Teemu recently joined the high-profile lineup of big game commercials this year, and you may have already started seeing some of those. They collaborated with amazing celebrities like Jason Derulo and star players DeAndre Hopkins, Juju Smith, Schuster, Devonta Smith, and more to make it happen. Now, about this affiliate program, this is, I want to say, a ground floor, but I don't know, how ground floor it is. I just will tell you that Amazon, started years ago. And look where they are now. I don't know if Teemu's headed the same direction, but this affiliate program is only available right now to U.S. users. The Teemu affiliate program has cooperated with over 30,000 influencers and partners and generated almost $1 million in revenue for our partners. Use your coupon code or coupon link for your affiliate account and promote it just like you would on Amazon. The only difference is Teemu actually pays way better. Amazon affiliates only earn up to 10%, whereas Teemu pays up to 20% commission plus a $5 sign-up bonus for everyone who signs up for their new app. Now, 20% is really high compared to Amazon's 10%, and I'll have a QR code down in my description if you want to scan that to check it out. The project benefits as far as becoming an affiliate, it's $5 for every new user, $5 for every new user download referral. You get a $3 bonus first time you share your Teemu affiliate link code. Up to 20% on your referral orders. Your referrals get a 30% new users discount, and many of you have already used those or seen those in some of our Teemu promoted influencer videos. And so yes, I have influenced, I have been an influencer with Teemu. Now this is an opportunity for you, and you don't necessarily have to have a channel like me in order to have this business opportunity. And you can earn up to $20,000 every month. So that's what your referrals and everything can do for you, people clicking on your links. And the process is real simple. All you got to do is log in, and I'm going to have that link down in my description. And the process is as simple as pie. I mean, you basically just put in your email address and send, and when you do, the affiliate page will pop up. It'll show you that you've got $5 available. If it is a referral of some sort, it will have your affiliate link, and it will have your affiliate code as you're seeing in the pictures there. And also it talks about your 30% discount that you'll be able to share. I've been sharing mine through my videos when I do the Teemu hauls. You would be able to share them various ways, including probably your email, texting to friends. You can submit it on the coupon site. You can paste a link in your bio on different programs and formats that you might be in, like, for example, Facebook and some others, Instagram. And like I said, you can get up to 20% commission, and I'm showing this pictures over the screen there so you can see. And you can place your link in your post. And posts can be in anything. There's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's all kinds of ways to use your link. And of course, you can send to your family and friends. So that is kind of synopsis of how the program kind of works, so that you have an idea what to expect if you're interested in this great opportunity. If you want to make a passive income and earn pocket money, you can click the link down in my description to register, and/or scan the QR code that will be in the description as well. And in addition to this, the Teemu affiliate program, they also have a seeding program that gives away free samples for you to review if you meet certain requirements. They will review your social media, Instagram, TikTok, and/or YouTube, and if you pass, they will send you free samples for you to post Teemu review videos. According to the number of subscribers, you can choose up to $300 worth of items, and your referrals get 30% off if they are new users. So a lot of you are familiar with that because, like I said, I have done that, and I do have Teemu orders. I've got personal orders that I just purchased on my own, and then I have influencer review posts up on my channel, as you all know. And you also know that there are several influencers that are already part of the Teemu team. So this is an up and growing company and opportunity. And what I'm going to do is have all this information down in my description so that you can read through there how you can benefit from it, and then how it is a great business opportunity for you or for someone that you know, because these business opportunities are for anyone, and that's exactly what an opportunity is. And my personal opinion of this is that Teemu has started off the ground running, and they are doing really great. And personally, I love to shop there, and everyone I know loves to shop there. So they've got something very positive. Your prices are just really great, and like I said, they have all kinds of products. But that is this business opportunity, and I wanted to share it with you. And again, this is something that is for anyone. You don't necessarily have to be a YouTuber in order to benefit from this new affiliate program. Take a look. If it's something for you, then be sure and join up. Now, this is Teemu's affiliate, links and everything down in the bottom. I am just introducing this to you, and I am not affiliated, so to speak, with this. They sent me the information. I thought this is a great opportunity, and some of my family and friends and/or anyone out there that is looking for a great opportunity would be interested in this. Teemu, I think, has great possibilities to be really big and to help you with your income now with this new affiliate program. So anyways, just check out my description if you have any interest, and of course any questions or anything that would that you would need to know. You would need to go through Teemu to find those things out, but this would at least get you started to see if it is a business opportunity for you. As for today and the Teemu business opportunity, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.